Welcome, here I've got OUKITEL WP5 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shutter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, now we have sound turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the shutter sound option, so by using this button from the right we can easily turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera, and when I take another picture, now we can't hear the sound. Of course, by tapping to the left corner once again and using this button, we can turn it on, so now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.